Welcome back. My name is Darlington. Today, we're delving into the Interface Segregation Principle, or the ISP. The ISP states that clients should not be able to depend on methods they don't use. In other words, it's better to have smaller specific interfaces than a few large general purpose ones. Why is this important? Well, large interfaces can lead to tight coupling and make it harder to modify or extend existing code. Smaller interfaces, on the other hand, promote loose coupling and allow clients to depend on only the methods they actually need. Let's see an example here. So imagine we have a worker interface and we have a few methods in this interface being work, eat, and sleep. And imagine this worker can be a human or a robot. This interface might be fine for humans, but not for robots. Robots don't eat or sleep, so forcing a robot class to implement these methods violates the ISP. A better approach would be to segregate the interface. We can achieve this by breaking down this interface. Let's start by introducing a new interface here. We'll call it workable, and workable has a single method called work. Let's add another interface. Call it eatable, and eatable also has a method called eat. Let's add one more interface. We'll call it sleepable, and sleepable also has a method called sleep. As always, we want to clean stuff up here. We don't need this polluted interface. We can go ahead and just delete it. So now, if we wanted to add a human class, we know that a human can work, can eat, and also sleep. So the human class can implement workable, eatable, and sleepable. And we can go ahead and realize implementation of all of these. So human realizes the implementation of eat, sleep, and work methods. Should we now want to add a robot class? We know that a robot doesn't eat or sleep, so we don't have to force it to implement those methods. It will just implement workable. And of course realize the implementation of the work method. Now, each class implements only the interfaces relevant to its behavior, and this adheres to the ISP and promotes loose coupling and flexibility. That's the interface segregation principle. It encourages you to design focused interfaces that cater to the specific needs of your clients. Stay tuned for the final video in this series, where we'll explore the dependency inversion principle. As always, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.